Wow, that's amazing. In other news, an estimated 53.5 million US citizens were reportedly affected by cybercrime in the first half of 2022. And mental health professionals say data breaches and other cybercrimes are increasingly taking a heavy psychological toll on the millions of Americans whose personal information is plundered by fraudsters. Learn more about the hidden epidemic around cybercrime that is causing anxiety, depression, and PTSD, as well as receive resources on how to consciously heal from your technology trauma from cybersecurity and mental health expert at this year's second annual Internet Safety Tech Symposium, scheduled to be held June 19th through the 22nd. See you there.